green?
The green behind us.
Blue.
That's green.
That's blue.
That's green.
Hello friends, it's Shayla with singing a new song. I've been contemplating redoing our bedroom, or basically a bedroom makeover, for quite some time now. As it was, it didn't really reflect both my husband and I very well, and I really wanted a bedroom that reflected both of us and that we both chose colors and elements for together. So a couple weeks ago, we sat down and we discussed colors, and we looked through pictures on Pinterest, and we came up with some ideas that we could both agree on, that we both liked. Here you see all of the colors that we like, that we were deciding between. We ended up going with the more orangish red on the right. The color that I had mixed was called Georgia Clay. This gallery wall is a space that I have been wanting to redo for quite some time. And one of the spaces in here, or one of the elements that we never really liked, were the curtains. The curtains kind of irked us from day one, but they worked, and so we just never got to replacing them. And we finally decided, let's get rid of these curtains. That's the number one thing in this bedroom that we both really don't care for. This poof is one of my very favorite things in the room, and it's kind of going to be one of the elements that I'm going to base the room around as I dream. I always take off my rings when I go to paint, and I like to clean them. In the meantime, I figure, why not? If they're going to be off, they may as well be soaking in a cleaner. So friends, this is going to be a super satisfying, super relaxing video. I am going to stop talking now, and I'm going to turn up the beat. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.